And here we go, guys. This is the magic that we've been waiting for. The coconut milk creation. That's gonna go inside of the bamboo. And there we go, guys. It's getting ready. Each one of these is just gonna be stuffed with this beautiful coconut milk and sticky rice. Wow, there it is. Here we go. It's gonna be loaded with sugar, guys. Look at that. Super sweet. I think that's palm sugar. A little salt water. Look at that. That's salt water. Garam. There you go. And you can see each one of these is gonna be loaded with that rice. Oh, look at that. Boom. Rice going in. Sticky rice. 50 kg. Hey, look at that. Whoa. Beautiful. Let's watch how it's done. Right in that bamboo. Look at that. That is so much coconut milk. And it's full. Here they are, finished. Habis. Ready to go. On the fire. And there it goes. Look at that, right over the fire. Look at that, they're gonna load up the backside. They are loading individually, lemang by lemang, onto this fire. And it is so hot. And you can see the coconut milk is just bubbling out. This whole place smells like the most aromatic coconut you could dream of. Oh, it's ready? Okay, and how do we do? Just pull? Ooh. That's the lerek leaf, and they use the lerek leaf instead of the banana leaf here because it's more aromatic. Whoa! You're gonna peel that. Wow! There it is, the lemang. Oh my. That's lemang. You can smell the coconut, the santan. The santan is aromatic. Wow, and a durian. Musang King. Wow. Oh, and there it is. Musang King. This is the ultimate Malaysian meal. And then to top it off, because the lemang is already creamy with santan coconut milk, we can double up and have a Musang King durian. And we're just gonna cover it in that ayam rendang sauce. Mmm. Oh. Oh, wow. 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 That lemang is just the most creamiest, stickiest, sweetest rice you'll ever taste. Mmm. Wow. Take a nice piece there and try that beef rendang. Mmm. Mmm. There is so much flavor in these curries. They're so strong, yet they're smooth at the same time. They're not overpowering. It's because of the santan, that coconut milk. It's so flavorful. Maybe just take the flesh. It's like a durian sushi. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. It's like a durian sushi. Totally ready to eat. Whoa! It's so sweet. If you are in search of the perfect meal, something that brings you into a new level of happiness, this right here, the durian, the rendang, the lemang, is worth coming here to Malaysia for. Thank you very much. Sangat sedap. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Amazing. Number one. Number one.
In the world.
In the world. Lemang Tuan Lerek. Thank you very much.
Lemang daun
Lerek. We're gonna keep exploring, guys. Let's go.